Hello and welcome to the overview of the Income Out Loud products. I'm just going to go over this really quick and show you a quick presentation of how the system works and what our products are. So let's get right to it. So when you sign up in the company, you'll get your own specific link that's tied to you, to your username. So if you go into your profile up here, you will see that your sign up link is here, and here's your sales funnel link. So that would be the link that you would promote, and that will take people through your sales funnel. And I'll show you how that works here in just a moment. So if we click on the dashboard, this is our dashboard view. This is real-time stats that we have right in front of your face when you log into the system. And I'll just kind of go over this really quick and let you know what each one of these means. Personal clicks means the amount of people that have actually clicked on your link that is assigned to you, so your referral link. Okay. My active funnels, that means how many people went through your sales funnel and they clicked the like button, which starts the viral process going for your business. And I'll show you kind of how that works in a moment, but just know that this is how many people actually clicked the like button, which created a funnel. Adopted funnels means how many people joined you in your business. Network funnels means the total amount of funnels, sales funnels that were created for your whole network in your organization. Personal leads are the amount of leads that came in from your sales funnel. And network clicks is the total amount of your own clicks plus everybody that's in your organization. So that's the total network clicks for your organization. Now let me just kind of go over what these things right here mean. Right here we have the last 15 events. A lot of people, when they sign up for a program, they don't really know if it's working or not. Well, in our system, we have every event that takes place on the system. So each event that happens gets assigned an ID. So anytime you get a personal click on any of your sales funnels or your referral link, it'll track that. You'll see that you got a personal click. It'll tell you how long ago, and it'll give you the IP address. Okay, so this tells you that it's working in real time, and you can see all the activity that is taking place and that's being tracked. Okay, so this next section is adopted funnels. So these are the people that join you inside your Income Out Loud organization. So they're the ones that get placed below you. And so what's cool about this is you can actually track how well they're doing. So you can track how many clicks they're getting, how many funnels they've created, and how many leads they've generated through their system. So you kind of have a bird's eye view of your whole organization right here on this heads-up display. So if we scroll down, the last 15 leads, we show the last 15 leads that came in. If you want to view all your leads, you can click there where it says view all leads, and it'll give you all the leads here. And we have our own lead management system inside the Income Out Loud program, and I'll go over that here in just a moment on how that works. We also have conversion rates. So the creation rate is how fast you are creating your funnels, and what your conversion rate is, your bind rate. That's how many people converted from all the action that you've created. And then we've also gamified this where you can win awards and badges. And I'll go over how that works as well, on how you can rank up and get points for using this system. Okay, so let me show you how cool this is, guys. In this system, we have everything that you will ever need if you're an internet marketer or any business owner that just wants to market their business. So we have capture pages. You just click on capture page and watch how quick I can create a capture page. So I click on create landing page, and then you can go in here and choose from any landing page that you want. So I'll just click beach 1. It'll have an image that pops up, and you can name this beach 1 test. Okay, and then you can put in your headline, and then down here you put in the title, which will go here, and the subtitle, which go below that. And then this will take the person to your sales funnel, and you can tell them where you want it to go. And then we will already have preset autoresponders made for you that you can just leave there, or you can customize your own autoresponders, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. And then you hit create. That's how easy it is to create a capture page. So let me click on this, and that's what it'll look like. So obviously it'll have all the information that you want to say on your form here, but people can put in their name, email, and phone number, and you will be able to customize this to choose which field you want to show up here, whether if you just want the email or just the phone, and then you can go with that. So you can go back in here and edit those capture pages to your liking, so you can put them any way you want to. Okay, you can click on my autoresponders, and you can create your own autoresponders. So you can click create autoresponder, put the subject line and the text. So these will be the email messages that will get sent out to those people that put their email message or their email address inside of your capture page. Okay, so we've got a capture page system and an autoresponder system. And the SMTP server that we're going with, they're all whitelisted on their IPs. So the probability of your message going into your lead's inbox is very, very high. Okay, so you don't have to pay extra money to go use somebody else's system for capture pages and autoresponders. We have it all here under one roof. So let me go over this next one. It's called Viral Sales Funnel. By default, we will have a sales funnel put here for you, so you don't have to mess with that. But when this goes live, you'll be able to customize your own sales funnel and put which videos you want to go in here. And let me show you how this works. So this is where the magic happens. This is what makes the process go viral. So whatever business that you have that you're trying to promote, or even just the Income Out Loud opportunity, what happens is the person puts their email in your capture page. Then they get sent to this first video, and what this video does is it gets them excited. It makes them curious. You're not revealing what you're promoting, but you're giving them enough information where they're curious to be able to watch the next video. But in order to watch the next video, they have to click the like button. And when they click that like button, it'll share your sales funnel link on their Facebook wall, so all their families and friends will see it, and they'll click on that link and go through the same exact sales funnel. That's what starts this whole viral process of your message getting put out there onto Facebook and other social networks, which I'll show you in just a minute. But so they go through the sales funnel. They see this next video that talks about your product, whatever you're promoting. It gets them excited, and then it'll have another one that pops up where they'll actually be able to join your company. Okay, and this is already set up for you, and you'll be able to customize this any way that you want to for your business. All right. The next thing that I'm going to show you is going to be a very cool thing. It's the Facebook Autopilot. So what we have by default, we have preset messages in here that will go out automatically and post on your Facebook wall. So all you have to do is click Activate Facebook Auto Post, and it'll start posting for you. But before you do that, you can actually specify the time of day that you want this to get posted out at. So if you want 7 p.m. and then you just click Activate Facebook Auto Post, it'll automatically start posting for you one time per day onto your Facebook account. And it'll post these messages, and these messages by default are messages that will make the person excited and want to interact with your message. There's questions that are asked that makes the person think and be able to respond to your messages, and just creates this environment of wanting to interact with what you have. So we do have call to actions tied to these, so they'll be able to click on them. They'll click the image, and it'll bring them to your sales funnel as well. So you can literally just activate this, and you can be on vacation, and this will still post for you onto Facebook. And it's a very cool program that just does it for you. Okay, so let's go down here to the leads. We do have a leads management system in here. The first thing that you notice up here is enter your cell phone. So if you have a cell phone number, you can put it here, and whatever carrier that you go with, and you click add. And what that does is anytime you get a lead that comes in through your sales funnel, it'll notify you. It'll send an SMS text message to you that will notify you that you have a lead that just came in, and they are watching your presentation. So you have that real-time information of when somebody's on your site looking at looking at your opportunity. And then their information will be stored right here, and you can go in here and edit this any way you want to. It'll have their information here, and if the person, let's say you called them up and they were very interested, you can put hot prospect, and then you update lead. Okay, and then you can delete these leads, or what you can do is you can send them an email right here, a follow-up email. So you can click any one of these, and it's you just grab it and go, and then send email, and it'll automatically follow up with that person for you. Okay, and so this is where all your leads are stored, and then right here on the status, you can click that, and it'll tell you, that hot prospect. Okay, so let's go on to the next one called marketing. This is a very cool part of the system where everything is literally done for you. So let's click on resources, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So a lot of times what happens is somebody will join a company and they're like, okay, what do I do now? What's the first step? What do I need to do? So you need to advertise your business. Advertising your business is the #1 thing that you have to do to start getting leads into your business. So what we've done is we have ads that are already created for you. It'll already have your link auto-populate in these ads. So literally all you do is hit copy, and then we have a list of all the free classified ad websites right here that you can click on. It'll take you to that site. You can go and post any one of these ads there, and it's literally a copy, paste, and go. And we've got a lot of the popular sites like Craigslist in here. You can click on it and just copy, paste, go. So it's very, very cool that we have those in here. Those are free. You can choose any one of those to go with. So if you have a website, we have these banners that are already created. It'll automatically have your link inside of these banners. So when you put this on your website and someone clicks on it, they go to your sales funnel. Okay, so these are already created for you. Then we have pre-written email swipes, headlines, and Facebook posts. So these are subject lines you can just copy, paste, and go. Email swipes, if you don't know what to say in an email, you can just copy that whole thing and put it in your email and hit send, and it's already done for you. It's got your link already populated. And these are all different messages that you can use. They're all pre-written just for this Income Out Loud opportunity. So you will have everything done for you. You can just copy, paste, and go. And then if you want to have Facebook posts, you just literally just copy, paste, and paste that into your Facebook. Okay? And then you've got your Twitter posts. So that is your resource center where you can just, it's literally guys, copy, paste, go. It's all done for you. All right, so this next system is how to get traffic on demand. So let's say you want to get the viral process started quickly and you have a little bit of budget to use, and we have this connected into a solo ad site where you can pay $25 and get a guaranteed 100 targeted visitors to your sales funnel. Okay, and we even have the email swipe or the ad that you can send. And when you click on this sign up button, it'll have a video that pops down, and it'll show you step by step how to send out a solo ad, and then you can just copy, paste, and go. And what that does, you guys, is it gets you guaranteed traffic to your site. All right. So when they hit your viral sales funnel, let's say you paid $25. Let's say it cost you 50 cents. Okay, that's kind of high. But let's say it cost you 50 cents per click. Well, when that person clicks the Facebook button and that gets put out onto Facebook, and their friends start clicking on it, let's say you got another click. Now your cost per click just went down. Now you're paying 25 cents. If anybody else clicks on that link from Facebook, then your cost went down even more. So it's a really cost-effective way to get your message out there quickly and do it at a very low cost. Okay, and let's go to the next one where you can invite friends. So you click there. You can put their name, their email address, and we already have pre-written email messages. You just click on one of these and it'll auto-populate your message, and it'll have your link in there, and you click send. And what that does, it'll send an email out to your friends, and they can click on your sales funnel and go through it and be able to sign up and enroll into the company. All right, so let's go to the next one, which is called social share. And what we've done is we've put all of the social sharing sites in here all in one spot, and there's probably a lot of these you've never heard of before, but we have a lot of the important ones here like Facebook, we've got Twitter, LinkedIn, MySpace. I'm not sure if there's a lot of people that still use MySpace, but it's there just in case. And we've got Google Plus, and we've got some other ones like Pinterest. So what this is you click on it, and it's a one-click share. So when you click on this, it'll automatically share a message out to that social site that will automatically have your sales funnel link in it. Okay, so you can click these, and each time you click these, this number will change. It'll change to how many clicks you've shared, and it'll start collecting points. And what the points does is we've gamified this whole system. So we've made an incentive for people to actually share the message. So we've given ranks and badges. Let me go over that with you really quick. In order to get a rank here, to qualify for beginner rank, you need to accumulate 10 points. For example, when you share your link with 5 friends, you earn a star worth 10 points. So when we go back here to the invite friends, when you share your link with 5 people, you end up getting a star. Okay, and you earn points for each time you share that, or each time that you actually share it on the social sharing site. You earn these points, and those points will get put up here in like a digital point wallet. And when that gets up to a certain point, you can click on this redeem now, and you'll be able to go in here and buy with your points one of these courses. Okay, so when you get 200 points for this one, you can click download, and you can get this course and learn how to be a better marketer on Facebook. Okay, so you don't purchase this with money, you purchase these with your points that you accumulate inside the system. So we've gamified it, and what we've done is we've put a top earners thing, so you can see all the top earners inside the system that are using this, and you can see their total funnels, how many clicks, and you can see their rank. And you rank up for actually doing stuff inside of the system, for actually sharing and being active. You rank up and you get more points, and you can see who's at the number of position inside the system. So what this does, it creates an environment of competitiveness. So people want to be number one, and it incentivizes people to share and try to be the best that they can, which will make them more money, and it'll get them more sales and more conversions into the Income Out Loud system, or even into their own business, whatever they choose to advertise. Okay, and we also have the Affiliate Center in here, so you'll be able to log into your Affiliate Center and see your earnings, and you'll see the people that are in your downline, and be able to see how much money you're making. Alright, so this, you guys, is an overview of the Income Out Loud system. It's literally everything that you need in one spot to be a successful internet marketer, or to have success with any business that you market. This does not compete with any business out there. You could take this out to any multi-level marketing system, network marketing system, or any brick and mortar system, and they can take this and make their message go viral and spread it out on the internet and just get a ton of signups. Or if you choose to just promote the Income Out Loud program, you can do that too. We pay a 100% commission, you guys, for sharing this program with other people and getting them in. We want to incentivize you to share this and get this out. People need this, and we want to get this out the fastest way possible, and we're choosing you guys to be able to help push this out, and we're rewarding you for helping us advertise this. So get this, you guys. Get your link, get in, sign up today, go back to the person that referred you to this page and referred you to this company, get signed up. It's a $10 administration fee to get access to all this in the Affiliate Center, and then it's only $25 a month. That is a super low price for really high quality of what you're getting here. You could pay more than that on just a capture page system alone, or even an autoresponder system, but you have much more with all these tools and everything, all the management system, all the trackings, all the stats. So you guys, this is a huge value for a very low cost, and you get rewarded, and you can make quite a bit of money with this system just by sharing it with everyone that you know. So get in, you guys, click that join now button, get started today, and we'd love to have you on board. You take care, and bye-bye.